Hello ladies and gentlemen, so welcome to another video on Learn with Money. So yes, before I mentioned that I'm starting this CS50X course, right? But then I found it's been kind of like a repetition of some of the things which I've studied before in kind of like before, right? Before I dropped out of this university. So I decided, okay, since I'm have much interest in web programming, right? HTML, CSS, web development, right? Why don't I just jump into to the point? If I need this CSX computer science course, then I will just get into that later. So let me just start by doing something which I really need, right? So okay, so I decided to jump into the course. It kind of like 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, right? And I registered on the application called EDX, right? On the HarvardX University. Harvard, yeah. The course is offered by Harvard, so that's the one which I decided to begin now, and it's about 12 weeks to complete the course, and I've just started today on the 14th January 2023, right? So I just watched the introduction course, which is kind of like 2 minutes, right? And so the next one which I'm going to jump into is to HTML and CSS. This one is the interesting part because I have been reading, if you are not a new subscriber, I have been reading the HTML CSS book from John Duckett, and it's kind of like interesting because even if you do not know about computers, you just get the hang of it if you just put in the work. So yeah, guys, this is me giving an update in a vlog since I said I need to be vlogging for some time now. My computer is kind of like loading slow. I wanted to show you on the computer, but well, there is always next time, right? So this is it. Okay, come on. Okay, this is the one, the view on the which I'm just checking. I'm about to jump to the next part. So guys, see you next time. I hope it's going to be an interesting and challenging journey so that I complete this course. Yes, it costs, but it is free again, right? They offer for free, so I'm just taking the free course. So bye for now. Bonisi.